Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail password. So if you are on your desktop, you just need to type in Google create a Gmail. Then you want to click on the first link, then click on create account. Basically log in with the email, and on this step just type in forgot password and then just follow the on-screen instructions. If you are using the app, the steps are similar. Go to the top right, click on add another account. Then let's just type Google. Again, you would enter your email, next, and then again forgot password. And that's it. Thank you for this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.